Hello dear students, in this video lecture we will learn topic 1 environment part 3. As you know that topic 1 is environment, what we will learn today? Agenda points are environmental issues, concept of 4 R's and public awareness about environment. The course outcome is understand about environmental issues and public awareness about environment. Some of the contents are environmental issues like ozone layer depletion and nuclear accidents, concept of 4 R's, reduce, reuse, recycle and recover, public awareness about environment. Learning objective: discuss the need of public awareness about environment and describe various environmental issues. Concept map: there are various environmental issues like global warming, climate change, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, nuclear accidents, greenhouse effect. In the previous video, we have learned global warming, greenhouse effect, climate change and acid rain. In this video, we will see about the nuclear accidents and ozone layer depletion. So the environmental issue is ozone layer depletion. You can observe the diagram. Various layers of the atmosphere are shown. Troposphere is the lowest layer, about 15 km from the ground. Contains normal air composition of nitrogen, oxygen, water vapor, carbon dioxide, etc. Temperature decreases with altitude. Next layer is stratosphere, which is above the troposphere. Temperature increases with altitude. Contains a lot of ozone found in the stratosphere between 10 to 50 km above the ground. It protects us from the harmful effects of UV of certain wavelengths. Decrease in ozone concentration means increase in UVB radiation reaching the Earth's surface. Formation of ozone layer, it is a photochemical reaction. Oxygen react with the sunlight, first gives the formation of ozone molecule, that is O3. Ozone layer in the atmosphere protects life on the earth from the dangerous UV radiation from the sun. Destruction of ozone layer. Chlorine atoms from the chlorofluorocarbons attack the ozone, taking away ozone and forming chlorine monoxide, that is ClO. O3 ozone react with chlorine from the CFC and there is formation of chlorine monoxide. See the reaction. Chlorine monoxide then combines with another oxygen atom to form a new oxygen molecule and a chlorine atom. The chlorine atom is free to destroy up to 1 lakh ozone molecules. Impacts of ozone layer depletion. Sunburn, reduce our immune system, skin cancer, cataracts and other eye damages, reduce photosynthesis and crop yield affected, damage the plants, reduces plankton population, reduces penguin population, reduces the percentage of hatching of frog eggs, forming photochemical smog, and degrades the building materials. The next environmental issue is nuclear accidents. When safety measures and principles are ignored by nuclear plant operators, nuclear accident can occur with serious consequences for the environment and human health. Now, efforts are made to prevent the radiation during accidents. Since 1957, 10 major nuclear accidents have been reported by following 5 countries. Impacts of the nuclear accidents: develop cancer, deaths, species extinction, alteration of DNA, residual radioactivity in environment which causing environmental pollution, high fever, diarrhea, fatigue, mortality, infection, bleeding, etc. Skin diseases, disturb aquatic life and long-term effects on environment. These are impacts of nuclear accidents. How to avoid this? What are the solutions to all these problems? Environmental management. So, healthy environment, sustainable development, solid waste management, world conservation strategy, environmental laws, rainwater harvesting, biodiversity conservation, water resources, pollution control, energy conservation, hazards mitigation, and sustainable development. These are required for the healthy environment. Now, let us see the concept of 4 R's. First R is reduce. Prevent generation of waste in the first place by eliminating waste at source through better planning and design. Don't use a resource if there is an alternative. Donate old things. Take good care of your things. Choose walking, cycling than driving. Use glassware than paperwares. Reuse. Use a resource again and again without changing it or reprocessing it for different functions than what they are intended. Old newspapers used for packing, plastic and steel containers used for plantation, etc. Recycle. Reproduce or remanufacture the new material by using recyclable waste as raw material in its parent industry. Example: paper, glass, plastic, metal, rubber, etc. can be recycled. Next R is recover. Producing usable products or energy by processing or treating the waste. Examples are formation of biogas, fertilizer, and conversion of waste to energy, etc. So, what are the benefits of 4 R's? Reduces waste, reduces pollution, saves energy, saves resources, improves economy and creates employment. Now, what is public awareness? Is nothing but educate the people about environmental studies, participation of people in environmental issues, implementation of principle of 4 R's, adoption of eco-friendly technology, conserve the resources, follow various acts on environment, practice and promote good civic sense and hygiene, practice and promote to reduce pollution, join local movements that support activities like saving trees, in your area, go on nature treks, recycle waste, buy environmentally friendly products, join a group to study nature such as WWF1 or another environmental group. So in this lecture we have learned ozone layer depletion and its effects, nuclear accidents and its effects, the concept of 4R and public awareness about environment. Now let us have a quiz. Which of the following is not a component of 4Rs? Option A, reduce. Option B, resell. Option C, reuse. Option D, recover. The correct answer is option B, that is resell. Next question. The 4Rs principle is applicable for option A, public awareness, option B, environmental protection, option C, saving natural resources, and option D, all of the above. And the correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question. Layer which saves life from harmful effects of UV radiations is known as option A, ozone layer, option B, alpha layer, option C, gamma layer, option D, infrared layer. Correct answer is option A, ozone layer. Next question. The most harmful environmental pollution from nuclear reactor is dash. Radioactivity. Option B, particulate formation. Option C, thermal pollution. Option D, noise pollution. And the correct answer is thermal pollution. The next question is, ozone layer is found in dash. Option A, thermosphere. Option B, stratosphere. Option C, troposphere. Option D, mesosphere. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere. Stratosphere is the correct answer.